Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this class number 17, we are going to understand how to use array to find out the maximum and minimum number from an array. It's just a practice class to use or make a mastery on array. Let we start to do this. So again we have to create a new project. I say cargo new and I say class number 17 and I say max min number cd to class number, and here we will try to make a code for this. It's just a practice to use array. So I create array here. I say data equal to, I say 12 34 2 4 67 23 9 8. Like this we have array, and we have to find out the maximum value and minimum value from this. That means we have to find out the 2 and 67 from this. For that I use a for. I say I in the number of elements in this array is 8, so I say 0 to 8 time we have to execute. Then I say if, and for that I need two variables also, so I say let max equal to 0 and we have let min equal to 0. Now I can define the value of this is data 0, that is also data 0, because this value I am just considering as a maximum or minimum value. I say if the max is greater than the value, that is I am trying to execute it from 1 to 8. Remember that, because 0 is already considered. So I say data I. If it is less than this, if it is less than, that means we have to change the value of max to I. So I need to declare this max as a mutable value. You see, mutable variable. And I say if, you can say else. So if it is not, means if it is less than to this, then we have to retrieve this because it would be max. Else we say min. If it is greater than, then we have to pass same value to this. You see, and after we have min also like this, and I try to print after this. I say print ln, and here I say max equal to and min equal to, here I say max and min. Like that, try to execute it. Now I say cargo run. We have 67 as a maximum number and 2 is a small one but is checking to 8, so we have to check once again, and this is working perfectly. So I say here if min is greater than data I, put the condition, try to execute once again. You see, so we have put here condition also. Without condition is not giving the right value, and it every time is doing else. But here we have put the condition, if the value is minimum, then we have to pass it. Just by putting a simple logic to find out min and max, we are able to do this. Once again I modify this value. Suppose I say here it is 16 and this 9 is become 200, and this 2 I am changing to this, and here 4 is minimum and 200 is a maximum. Once again we try to run, and you see 204 we have. So each and every time we have a correct value right now. So like this way you can find out maximum and minimum value in array using Rust. And I have an assignment for you. Can you find out the second maximum and minimum value? Try to do this itself, because it's a pure interview question. If you will go for interview, then they may ask this question. Find out the second largest and second minimum element from the array. Do this yourself and try to find out. Now if you understand it, how to use array for retrieving a value, for checking a value, and for find out a maximum minimum from array, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.